Hi everyone, and welcome to Colingo's Tricking the TOEFL course with your teacher, me, Rebecca Gross. And this is lesson 1, so let's jump right in. Today we're going to talk about 3 things. The first is the TOEFL structure, the next is the TOEFL scores, and the last is our mission with this course. So, the most important thing is to know what you're supposed to do, right? What am I supposed to do with the TOEFL? Well, there are 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. There's a 10-minute break between the listening section and the speaking section. The reading section, as you can see in this chart, has 60 to 80 minutes and 36 to 56 questions that you need to answer. The listening section has 60 to 90 minutes, and there are 34 to 51 questions that you need to answer. Why the difference, you might ask? Well, if you get a shorter reading section, you get a longer listening section, and vice versa. If you get a longer reading section, you get a shorter listening section. So, after that, you have your 10-minute break, long enough to go to the bathroom, eat a piece of fruit. That's about it. After your break, you come back and you do the speaking section. This is in front of a microphone, not with a person. This is 20 minutes, and you have 6 tasks that you need to complete. Each one is specifically timed. Then you have the writing section, which is 50 minutes, and you have 2 essays that you need to write. One essay that is 20 minutes and one essay that is 30 minutes. So that's the structure of the test. You already know more than you did a couple of minutes ago. So that's good. The next thing is, how do they grade me? What kind of score can I get? Well, each section is worth 30 points. So 30 points times 4 sections is, 120 points. Now, most schools have a specific target score that they need you to have in order to apply. So you need to check with your specific school to know what score you need. But generally speaking, community colleges require 60 plus. Undergraduate programs require about 80 plus. Graduate programs require 95 plus. And PhD programs typically require over 100, but sometimes even 105 plus. Okay, so that's the score. So our mission here is to get you the best score possible, and we have specific steps that we're going to take. The first is to learn the structure of the test, which, hey, we just did, at least the surface structure, and the question types. After that, you can create a specific study plan for yourself with strengths and points to work on. Then you come back and you do the lessons and you use proven strategies for each of the questions. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. Next, you practice often. Get as many materials as you can and use them and practice, I'd say, every day, at least 20 minutes a day. After that, score. Get your best score that you can. So, I'm so glad that you've decided to join me for Colingo's Tricking the TOEFL, and I'll see you for lesson number 2, and I'll see you in the Hangouts and on chat. See you soon.